Your Sakai site is the hub of your course, a central location that students can go to for practical information, course resources, and the tools you're using for class activities. When you organize and customize your Sakai site up front, it will save you and your students time and provide a roadmap for students to follow. In this video, we'll explore how to create a welcoming and clearly organized Sakai site. Before setting up your site structure, you may find it helpful to divide content into chunks by week or topic. You may already have such an outline in your course syllabus. Knowing the flow of your course is key for organizing it. Think of it as what you would expect from a website. Is it clear where I can find the information I need? Do I know where to find important materials? Do I understand what to choose from the menu items? Once you have a sense of the overall structure of your course, you can make decisions about how to lead students through the course materials and assignments effectively. The Sakai homepage sets the stage for how students perceive and interact with your site. It will automatically show highlights from the calendar tool, discussions, and announcement tool. You should edit the main box on the page and add practical information such as the course title, your contact info, and when and where the class will meet. To make your site more approachable, consider adding a picture or more information about yourself. Finally, the welcome section should include quick starting directions such as go to the syllabus tool or the Week 1 tab. The other part of your homepage to organize is the sidebar menu. You should place the important information and frequently used tools higher up, just like on the web, reader scan pages, and this is where students will look first. It is important to get rid of extra tools in the menu. Otherwise, students may overlook content and assignments easily. Under Site Info Tool Order, drag and drop the order of tools, delete tools, and make tools invisible that students do not need to access. Another aspect of course organization is being deliberate about picking the tools you use. The more streamlined you can make the student experience and yours in terms of technology, the better. Try to use the least amount of tools you can and be consistent in their use. Here at Learning Innovation, we have several tool recommendations. Use announcements to send course-wide communications because it posts to Sakai and sends an email. If you need to speak to one student directly, the email tool is best. There are 3 tools commonly used by faculty to provide guidance for students. If you rely on a Word or PDF syllabus, then the syllabus tool is a good option for posting. You can update the document as needed and inform students of changes over an announcement. The Lessons tool is an option for creating interactive web pages that integrate all of your Sakai tools as well as your syllabus content. For example, students can interact with content like PowerPoints and then move on to a quiz on the same page. The calendar tool allows you to post important dates and upcoming work. Most instructors distribute materials through Sakai in resources, but some use outside sources such as Dukebox or links to other websites. In resources, be sure to create folders that are meaningful, such as Week 1 or Week 2 or daily PowerPoints, to organize content. The individual file names should be descriptive as well. The Assignments tool is a flexible way to gather student work. It allows for commenting, group work, resubmissions, and direct access to the gradebook. For more informal paper grading, for example, Sakai's Dropbox works well for student-to-instructor private file exchanges. If the students are expected to communicate online, Discussions is a forum-based tool for in-depth discussions. And the Conversations tool is handy for question and answer. To discuss the needs of your specific course, please connect with Learning Innovation either in office hours or online or over email.